You know what this business gives you? You know, when the people very often ask me, the question they ask to boil down is, how can you possibly represent that person? How do you sit next to that person? How do you handle that person? Look, a horrible person this is. Well, my answer is, it is rare for both me and any criminal practitioner to say that there is no redeeming quality in an individual. There are some that there are. But generally there is a real defense. It's rare that somebody comes into you and says, I did it, I was there, there's no excuse for it. There's always something to hang on to, whether it's police entrapment, whether it's an insanity defense, whether it is an agency defense that the police have created a crime or done something improper. If it's a bad search and seizure, there's always some legitimate purpose. And honestly, it's rewarding, terribly rewarding, when you uphold justice, and that's what justice is. When someone who has been wrongfully accused is acquitted, when someone who has been arrested in violation of the constitutional rights that we honor so dearly, what makes us so unique as Americans, when you prevail in a situation like that, there's nothing more rewarding. When you help a family and you bring home a loved one, when you take a young person and you, in representing them along with that, you show them the evils of their ways and you try to make some correction in their being, in their lifestyle, and you're successful in that regard, it's a wonderful feeling. I remember once crossing a street in Hotbog and a police car came cutting around in front of me, and the police officer, the driver, got out and came over to me in full uniform and said, you know, I've been meaning to stop and see you. I didn't recognize him. I said, what about? And he said, when I was 17, I came to you. I'd been charged with possession of marijuana. And I told you that my life's dream is to become a police officer. He said to me, you told me you'd make the case come out so that I could. And you did, and I did. And I just wanted to stop it and thank you. Well, something like that is tremendously rewarding. So there are a lot of things about this thing that is good.